everyone, it's Lauren here, and I'm back to do a house cleaning video with you guys. It's been a long time since I made a video. We've had a lot going on. This one was actually recorded right before the new year, so we are extra late on getting this out, but I still thought it was good content, so I still wanted to put it out there. Starting off with my daughter's bathroom, just because it is left up to me to clean her bathroom right now because she is so young. I just clean her bathroom and I don't get to it as often as I'd like to. So I am using Comet in order to clean down her countertops, get all the toothpaste out, get all the toothpaste off the walls, all of that good stuff. I did wash her tub, but I didn't show this on this video. But I did wash her tub as well. So as you can see, I'm in my daughter's room. I'm straightening everything up here. Just as a reminder, this is after Christmas, so this is why everything looks like crazy and all over the place. She got new clothes, she got new shoes, she got new toys. So now I'm just getting everything straightened up, and that's also including all of her normal day-to-day things. So I'm just getting everything straightened up. You will notice that there are some changes in the next couple of videos, so just reasonably so. We have made adjustments to her room after moving into a new house, and we do have ideas of what we want to do with this room, and of course considering what she wants to do as well. She's told us the color, she told us what she wants. We have a great idea for a canopy bed in her room, so stay tuned for more future like amazing videos. I'm so excited about doing these things. This bed sheet is not supposed to be on her bed right now. I was just trying to make do with what we had. This is a twin size comforter, obviously. This is a crib. Okay, so now I'm in my son's room, just tidying up really. We try to, have them clean up their own room, of course, because they are older. He's 9, going on 10, but I just was straightening up. As you see, it was only a little bit. This is their desk area, so that room I just came out of, that's my daughter's room, and then right behind the camera is my son's room. This is their desk space area. My daughter doesn't have a desk because she doesn't go to school, so I'm just straightening up their desk area a little bit. So they have 2 little playrooms, which I love. One of them we use for study, one of them we use for TV, lounging, whatever. So that's why we have 2 couches up there. This is my youngest son's side of the bathroom. This is kind of like a Jack and Jill bathroom, so through that door is the tub and toilet, and then to the left of the right opposite of the toilet is the door to my son's room slash his sink and everything, and mirror and everything, and then it goes to his room. So it's a pretty cool setup, but I'm just wiping down his mirrors, wiping off his countertop and everything. You'll notice that I'm using just Mrs. Myers for him. They do clean their bathroom every week. That's part of their chores, so I don't need the Comet, so that's why I put it back in there, because I don't need it. I'm using the I would consider Mrs. Myers lighter. It's not chemical, it's natural products. So I just felt like I didn't need to go in and use the Comet. But my daughter's, she doesn't get that regular cleaning, so that's why I use Comet for hers. And then I do plan on just going in once a month or so and getting like a deep clean done for their bathrooms, and then that's when I'll be using the Comet. But I just let them use the Mrs. Myers because it's safer for the children. so now I'm on my other son, my oldest son, side of the bathroom. So through that door to the right of the screen, that goes to the toilet and bathtub area. So right now I'm just cleaning off his countertop and everything, like I said, just wiping it down. This, once again, was right after Christmas. So I hadn't really developed a routine. This is just really to make sure all those crevices and everything are done, and whatever. I was having the kids use Comet at first, but I'm reversing it. So now they're just using Mrs. Myers, and I will be going back in with the Comet. But I'm just basically just going in, wiping stuff down. What I'm doing with their toothbrush chargers is soaking them in the water. I found that is the least disgusting and quickest way for me to clean it. I just run really hot water, let it soak in there while I wipe off the countertop, and then basically I can just rinse that off. Like it's not as gunky and it's not as disgusting for me. Okay, so this is the second playroom area. This is like the catch-all playroom, TV room, game room, all that stuff combined. It's what you first see when you walk up the stairs. So right now I'm just taking down all the garland. I put these little bells above their rooms, their doors. So I'm just taking all that down, all the Christmas stuff, putting it in a pile so I can take it downstairs and put it with the rest of the Christmas stuff. But that's basically all I'm doing up here. Wiping down windows. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm not worried about the toys because that's a never-ending mess. So I do have plans to build a toy chest for all of them. But right now they just go against the wall, and that's about it, just so we can have walking space. Okay, so now that I've wiped down the windows, I do kind of want to explain. I wasn't really concerned about getting the tops of the windows. My main goal was just to get the fingerprints off of it. But I was a little nervous about getting a ladder. Something about the combination of the ladder and it being nighttime and me possibly falling through the window was just going through my mind. So I wasn't worried about the top. The main goal was just to get the fingerprints off the window. But now I'm just going to go ahead and wash some clothes, putting a load of clothes in. I don't have my laundry room set up the way I want it. It's actually been not hard because it's still a laundry room. It's still, functional and everything. It's just a lot smaller. It's about, I want to say, probably half the size smaller than my last one. So I don't have a lot of space in there, and I'm trying to still work with what I have because, it's still workable. I'm not complaining by any means. It's just, it's different, and I have to still work through it. So now I'm taking down the Christmas bulbs and light and everything. Actually, this is a pre-lit tree. We bought a new tree, so this tree was actually pre-lit. So now I'm just taking down the bulbs and the ornaments and everything off the walls. I did wind up getting really tired, so you will see that it will become a new day, and I will continue taking down the Christmas decorations. So as you are seeing, I am just taking Christmas decorations down, putting them into the red bucket so that I can easily identify where my Christmas stuff is. So I have no rhyme or reason. I just kind of was putting stuff into the buckets. We don't have a lot of Christmas decorations. Some of this stuff is from my mom, and we just acquired it. So some of the things are special, and I did take care in wrapping those things up and putting them in the bucket, but for the most part there's no rhyme or reason. It's just stuff from Walmart, or not expensive stuff, because I have 3 kids. They don't respect my my items. They don't care. They don't understand the importance or the significance of passing those things down and making sure that it's quality items. So I tend to get cheaper things just for that reason. That way if it gets broken, I'm not really distraught about it. But yeah, I would say I do have some quality pieces, like that house right there, but for the most part I try to stick with things that I wouldn't be upset if they got broken. Okay, so this low-key kind of hurt me. It kind of broke my heart taking this apart, but it had to be done. It's almost the end of February and I still haven't recovered. It's so bare. Everything is white on white on white except for the Keurig. I haven't done anything to change it. The kitchen is one of my favorite places to decorate in the house, just because it is so open and it's tied in with the living room. But around the other parts of the house are fine too. I just haven't purchased a lot of furniture to put stuff on, so it's hard decorating around the rest of the house. With my furniture, I do want to take my time because they are bigger, substantial pieces, and I want to make sure that what I get I actually like for a really long time. So we're rounding about the end of the video, but I did just want to explain the last few clips. Basically, I'm just putting all the knickknacks into different bins. That box, that pillow box was just little odds and ends from Thanksgiving, or I'm sorry, fall decorations. But I'm just putting everything in their respective bins, wiping down surfaces, arranging the clutter. So by no means was I done. It's just, like I said, a huge dent in the process. But we do have a long way to go. So if you have any suggestions, please leave them down in the comments below. Anything you'd like to talk to me about, I'd love to communicate with you guys. Introduce yourself even. Also, hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. And like this video if you liked my content. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.